Fluorescent tube explosions can be startling and potentially dangerous. Several factors can contribute to these events. Firstly, voltage surges. Sudden spikes in voltage can cause the electrodes at the ends of the tube to overheat and explode. Secondly, overheating. Excessive heat from external sources or improper ballast operation can raise the pressure inside the tube and cause it to burst. Thirdly, mechanical shock. Impacts or vibrations can stress the tube's glass and lead to a rupture. Fourthly, end-of-life degradation. As fluorescent tubes age, the mercury inside can become depleted, causing the pressure inside the tube to drop and making it more susceptible to explosions. Finally, defective tubes or ballasts. Manufacturing defects or faulty components can also contribute to a tube explosion. To prevent fluorescent tube explosions, several precautions can be taken. 1. Use proper ballast. Ensure the ballast is compatible with the tube and provides the correct amount of voltage and current. 2. Install tube protectors. Inserting plastic sleeves or guards over the tube can prevent flying glass from causing injury in case of an explosion. 3. Regular maintenance. Replace old or damaged tubes and ballasts as recommended by the manufacturer. 4. Avoid exposure to heat or impact. Heat the tube away from heat sources and protect it from mechanical shocks. 5. Handle tubes safely. When replacing or handling tubes, avoid touching the glass or applying excessive force. Fluorescent tube explosions are not uncommon. These incidents have been reported, particularly in kitchens, bathrooms, and other areas where the tubes are frequently subjected to high levels of humidity and temperature fluctuations.